What do you think about riding on the boat?
Cool.
Yeah! Kayla, what do you think about riding on the boat? Yeah. You're on video. Captain Michael at the helm.
Hey, you want to drive? Yeah.
Hey Zach, what are you doing right now? Zach, have you ever driven a boat before?
Yeah, I know. We're about to have to go.
Uncle Michael's new boat and Aunt Melinda. Caleb napping with Mom. And Zach driving the boat.
Carried it all so well, as if we got a new position. Oh, and I laugh all the way to hell. I say yes, this is fine promotion. Oh, and I laugh all the way to hell. Of course, everyone goes crazy over such and such.